How to add explosion effect on iMovie. In this video, I'll show you how to add an explosion effect in iMovie. Great for action scenes or dramatic moments. Let's get started. First, remember that this app is not available on Android device, so on your iOS device, click on search bar and open iMovie app. Now open the iMovie project and locate the clip where you want the explosion to happen. iMovie does not include built-in explosion effects, so you will need to download an explosion video with a green screen background or sound effect from royalty-free sites like Pixabay, Mixit or YouTube. To import the explosion clip, simply click on this plus icon and drag it into the iMovie media section. Drag the explosion clip on top of your main video where the explosion should occur. Now select the explosion clip, click on the video overlay settings, choose green/blue screen to remove the background, and add an explosion sound effect to match the visuals. Line it up with the moment of the explosion, and there you go. This is how you add explosion effect on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.